and welcome to Upcycling SOS. Now we've got something slightly different again today. I need a new flushing mechanism for my toilet because it's broken. So I'll show you what I mean. That's the push button part, because the catch broke on it, and also even before that went, it kept on leaking. So I think it's past its due, to be honest. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace it. Bought this one, hopefully it fits. If not, it's a blooper. So in order to do this, what I saw, I've seen a few plumbers do it, but not the average Joe. I know nothing about stuff like this, as you already know, so I'm going to try. So first thing I need to do is to stop the water from coming in, because we need to take off the cistern, and in order to do that we need to go down there. So let's go. So on the back of the toilet underneath, that's the pipe. Oh, right. This one here is where the water comes in and fills the cistern up for it ready to flush. If you follow it down, and this is where you stop the water from coming in. That is currently in the vertical position, means the water can flow. We need to change it to the horizontal position and it'll stop. So let's see if I can do that. Now it's in the horizontal position, and now you flush the toilet. I have to flush the toilet using an adapted tool. Alright, as you can see inside there, the water is not refilling because of that now. And to get rid of all that water, I've got a couple of sponges, and you just put it into the toilet. So let's start doing that. Couple of sponges inside, drain it in there. You don't have to worry about the water in there. It's clean water. It's not full of poo-poo-pee. Right, that's the majority of the water out of the cistern now. It's almost all out. And what we'll do is we'll take the old one off, and to do that it's quite simple. You just grab it, twist it and pull. I'll see if I can get you closer. So this is the old one. Just twist it and it pulls out. As easy as that. Okay, now we're going to take the water supply hose off the cistern in the bottom, and then there's two screws here attaching it to the wall, and underneath you've got another two. I'll show you them in a second, but first of all, the hose. This is the hose that we need to take off. Ooh, loud noises. So got this, but before you do so, get a rag, old towel, whatever, and put it underneath, because you are going to get some drips coming out. Didn't need it, it's just hand tight. Here's the water coming out. And put that to one side. Give it a dab, so all the water's out. Tip it slightly, whatever's left in the hose, onto the rag. That way you're not going to get anything wet. Okay, well, while I'm there, this one here, this wing nut, is how the system attaches to the actual toilet basin itself. So it's got a couple of wing nuts, one on this side, one on the other side, and all we've got to do is take the wing nut off. May as well do that now while we're down here. There. Try not to lose the wing nuts. Okay, I've found one problem. He didn't screw them in. He's used silicone or glue or something to glue it to the wall. There are no screws in there. This one's spongy to where the what's it called? Instead of a screw being there, it feels like silicone. And on this side, I can just feel wall. Dog, go away. He's not happy either. So, I need to test something out. Here's the new one. I've taken this off where I would normally attach it. That's the overflow pipe. And I'm going to see if I can just attach this to that. And if that's the case and it works, then great. It'll save me a lot of bother. But it's not good, is it? Okay, let's give it a go. And it's just the same as before. You just put it in and you rotate it until it locks in place. It looks the same, but is it? It's in. Now we'll just attach the top part. Where is it? Here it is. That's better. That's handy, isn't it? Okay, so let's put this back on here. There, that's now secure. Does this just pop into place? I think it works. Right, so Okay, so this here, it's got a thing on the side to put in. I can see there's something to, like a catch. So put it in it goes. That's secure. Let's put it on top of the toilet. Let's turn the water on. Reattach the hose, turn the water on, and let's see if we can hear water coming. If we can hear it flush. Here we go. Turning the water on is take it from the horizontal position back to the vertical. Oh! I didn't attach the hose properly. Water everywhere. Let's try that again. Hey, shush dog. Let's give this a go now. Oh, where's my screwdriver? So far so good. Well, that didn't take a long time. Okay. It works, and there's no leaks, so it's not keep on going. Obviously I'd have preferred it if I could put the whole thing in, but I don't want to take this off the wall only to have to drill holes again, and I'll do that in the future. But there we go. I'll just put the rest of it back together and we'll finish off. So there we go. We changed the flush mechanism. There's still water in there. Old one to new one. So quick video, isn't it? I thought there was more to it, to be honest. Well, there would have been more to it. Because if it wasn't glued to the wall rather than screwed like it should be, then the mechanism, hold on, get rid of all that water. Right, so there's the whole mechanism together. Obviously this is the old part, this is the new part. Just to get it off, because it's in the toilet as is, like so, you just twist and pull, twist and pull, and then it'll come off. Okay, you can see the catches and the rings there. Now, to put it back in, it's just exactly the reverse. Work it in, line the two holes together, and then click into place. Okay, now this part should be in the bottom. This and this seal should have been underneath the cistern, and then use the grips, if I can find them. There they are. Adjustable grips. So adjust this nut here in the bottom, and when you're doing it, make sure it doesn't go too tight, because it's made of plastic, it might crack it. If you cracked it, you got a bit of bother. Or maybe you've got two goes at the stick because you've got a new one, but you've also got the old one. But be careful. Change the O-rings if you can. And also, apparently this is called a nipple washer, or I think it's called that. I don't know. And always try and get one with this as a to replace it as well, because if you're going to change stuff, especially with rubber washers, get new ones. I can't do it on this one because I don't want to rip, it's not mine, you see. So I don't want to rip it off the wall only to have to re-put it on, because it'd mean cleaning it all off, I don't think I've got silicone. I think I've got silicone. So, no. So, we made the best out of a poopy situation. Pardon the pun. So yeah, there we go. Just replacing. It's an easy job. I didn't expect it to be that easy, but obviously I didn't get to do this part. So quick video. It might work for you, it might not. I'll put it on there. I'll put it on the channel just in case, and it's something for you to watch. So that's the end of this shorts video. Like the video, please. It's hard to do here. Subscribe. I could do with more subscribers, so if you're watching it, just click that subscribe button. It'll mean a lot to me, and the world will be a happier place. And comment. There's not a lot you can comment about this video. There's not a lot to it. I just replaced the mechanism itself rather than the whole thing. But I can't do that one, I'm afraid. So just comment and say hello. So there we go. All done. Reuse, recycle, upcycle.